App entrepreneurs, Christopher Wilson here, self-proclaimed mobile app mogul. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit your apps to the Samsung marketplace in their app store. First, we're going to take a look at our practice app and see how it's doing so far. And it's Candy Crush Levels Help. Now, if you remember yesterday, I believe that was at 166, and now it's at 378, and it's got a 5-star rating, which is pretty good. Okay, and real quick, let's see if we can check some earnings on it real quick. I want to find earnings. Let's see. Let's go to AdMob. Okay, and we got AdMob. Let's take a look and see what we're doing. Okay, so far that app, Candy Crush Levels Help Guide, has made me $16, which is pretty good. And look at that eCPM. I'm still blown away by that. Okay, so that app is chugging along. Okay, let's see where it's ranking, where our practice app is ranking in the Google Play market. I believe it did move up a couple steps, or a couple pages, I should say. And let's see. Let's type in Candy. First, let's type in Candy Crush, and let's see. This is the regular Google Play store, which has music, books, and everything. But let's see if our app will rank in there. No, it's not gonna rank in there. Okay, but let's go ahead and click Android apps, and we're not on the first page. Okay, now remember when we first put it up, it was on page 4, I believe. Okay, and so now, are we on page 2? Yes, we are. Okay, we're on page 2. So it's moving up. Okay, from page 4 to page 2. So that's where it's at now. But if I type in Candy Crush Help, let's see what comes up. Okay, and look at that. Out of 164, I'm number 4. Okay, so actually this app has moved up, because as you remember, this app right here was like number 2, I believe, and you know, all the rest of these were, you know, where they're at now. But you see how we just set that up, and using the keyword research method that I showed you, we're able to move up to number 4. Okay, let's see about Candy Crush Levels, because I do believe people are going to start searching for levels, or level help, or help with levels. Okay, there we go. All right, now so far we've submitted our app. Let's review real quick. We submitted our app to the Google Play Store, of course. We submitted it to Opera. Let me show you Opera real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, actually. Submitted to Opera and Amazon, right? I know it's not approved with Amazon yet, but in Opera so far, that's still at 112. And I believe I'm having some type of issue with that, because every time I go to preview that app, it goes to another page, new apps or something like that. Okay, but I sent in a support ticket for that. So anyway, that's where it's at right now. The Amazon, it should still be in the development phase. I'm sorry, the submission phase, where they have to approve it. Okay, so yeah, so now we're going to go ahead and submit our app to another market, which is a totally different market, which will be Samsung. Oh, and by the way, I did continue well, I finished up my application to Nook, so I should be getting approved for them real soon. Okay. um, Also, I did show you that tool called Distimo, which showed you how to track your apps, your app analytics. It's an all-in-one. I'm sorry, not that one. It's an all-in-one site where you can track all of your app downloads and revenue in one central place. You can track your apps from the Google Play Store, Amazon, Samsung, Nokia, BlackBerry, and so on. So what we want right now is a Samsung. So let's open up all those. Okay, and let me tell you right now with Samsung, and depending on when Samsung is going to move forward with developing their own app network, this training may be outdated. Then again, it may not. As of right now, you can't run ads on your app from AdMob when you submit them to Samsung. Okay, I got a notice saying my app wasn't approved because I had AdMob enabled, and they say AdMob, but they say I guess it sends push notifications or something like that. But anyway, they denied my app. So what I did was I went inside the Green App Machine, okay, and I took off AdMob, okay, and I made a separate APK file, okay, that I'm just going to submit to Samsung, okay. It's real simple. When you go to Green App Machine, I can show you real quick, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. When you go into Green App Machine, okay, what you will have to do is take off AdMob, and that's the only thing you have to do. You can leave Everbadge on there, okay, but you have to take off AdMob to in order to submit to the Samsung market. Now, say for example, let's preview real quick, okay, and I'm going to go to this module order. I'm sorry, not module order, customize modules. So what I did was I took off AdMob. So what you got to do, go here and just delete AdMob. Okay, delete AdMob. Okay, and then save it, continue, and go to your build app. Okay, go to your build app and just hold on. Just go through the regular process. You want to preview it first, so just do a preview. And when your preview finishes, go ahead and download that file to your device. Okay, and take a look at it. And then when you look at it, hopefully that AdMob won't be showing. Okay, which is what we want. You don't want that AdMob to be showing anywhere on your app. Okay, and then after you do that, after you preview it, go ahead and do your release build, and then rename it. Now what I do, I just put Samsung in front of my apps, so I know this is for the Samsung market, and I'll show you an example of that in a second. But just put Samsung on it, so you know that that's the APK file that you're going to submit to Samsung. Okay. So anyway, yeah. Then what you do, go ahead and do your release build, and save that file to your app folder. Okay. And that folder, that APK file is not going to have AdMob in it. Okay. Now let me show you an example. Let me log in. Okay. I have actually have two submitted already. Let's take a look at my applications. I submitted one today. It wasn't our Candy Crush file, but this is another file I did. It was the juicing app. Okay, so it says ready for preview, so that's where it's at now. This one is under test review. It's been like that since June 13th. I don't know what's going on with that, but you know, it is what it is. So I just put this one up today, which is June 20th, and it's ready for previewing. So I guess they're gonna take it to the next step with that. But anyway, um, you go ahead, set up your Samsung developer account. Okay, I'll leave the link inside the description box, or I'll leave it somewhere, but it's up here anyway. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add another app. So let's just go to let's see, we're on applications. Go right here where it says add new application. Okay. And like I said, depending on when this training comes out, see, Samsung is in the middle of getting their own app store, just like Android. Well, let's use iPhone or iTunes for an example. The iPhone has its own app market, where only place you can get those iTunes apps or iPhone apps is from the iTunes store. Okay, they got their own market. Android, has its own market. Okay, your phone has to be an Android in order for you to view those apps or download those apps onto your phone. You have to have an Android phone. Okay, Samsung currently is using the Android network for their apps, but see, Samsung has their own phone. Okay, just like iTunes. The iTunes store has its own phone, which is the iPhone. Samsung has its own phone, which is the Galaxy. Okay, they're going to take that phone to the next level. And Windows Phone, the Windows Store has its own phone. So Samsung is going to make their own network. Okay, and Samsung is the number one or number two phone maker in the world. So it would just make sense that they do their own. And actually, they just had a lawsuit against iTunes or something. But anyway, they were in, it was a big lawsuit. So anyway, Samsung not playing when it comes to this. Okay, they're setting up their own network, so they don't have to even use their competitor Android anymore. Okay, so that's how seriously they're taking it. So that's one of the reasons why they probably don't allow you to use AdMob, but you can use this format called Tapit. Okay, I'm not sure how to add the APK. I mean the SDK onto the APK file yet. So right now I'm just putting my apps up just to see how they do, and just going through the submission process. I'm not charging for them. I'm just putting them up. I do have that back end Everbadge inside there, so I can still make money with Everbadge. Okay, not as much of course because I don't have any ads going to it. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I know you're tired of me talking, but anyway, I click add. Okay, then you're gonna do your basic information. So I'm gonna use the app. I'm gonna try and use a book. No, I don't have that one in book form. I don't think. Let's try. Should go ahead and try mine. Well, no. I'm going to use, let's see. Can I use that one? Let's try quick dinner recipes for two. Okay, let's try that one. Yeah, we're going to try that one. Okay, so let me go to my file. Quick dinner recipes for two. And let's see here. Where am I at? There we go. And I hope I made a Samsung file for that. Yes, I did. Okay. See, this is the regular APK file, but like I said, you preview the build, release it, and you're going to submit it just for Samsung. So this file does not have AdMob in it. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's grab it from here. All right. Let's put our name there and check. Title is available. Okay. Now you select operating system. It's going to be Android. Okay, it's a native application. Okay, we're going to upload our file, which we renamed. Right. Okay. First, let's check all those. The S Pen is provided. To If S Pen is used, select this option. Yeah, I guess it could be used. I don't know. The stylus pen. Yeah. Okay. Google Mobile Service. Let's see. Since self application contains click yes. Okay. Now let's get our our file. My apps. Okay. And quick dinner recipes for two. Samsung file. I just put Sam in the front of it. Okay. So we're gonna let it do its thing. Let me read this again. China will automatically be excluded from countries when targeted when selected yes. Okay. So I guess China doesn't allow Google. Makes sense because Samsung, I believe, is made in Japan. And like I said, they're establishing their own network as far as everything goes. Okay. All right. So our file is uploaded. So let's click save. Okay. All right. Now, so they got 8 devices for the recommended devices. Let's see. 8 devices are selected from 8 recommended devices, which is basically the Samsung Galaxy 1, 2, 3, 4, Note, and so on. All right, but anyway, in that purse, I don't have any of that right now. Okay, I'm gonna say free right here. Okay, okay. Country and price. Selling starts on the day of approval. Okay, we'll leave that just like it is. Okay. Let's see what this is. I forget what this is. Um, the name of the Samsung proprietary. If yes, it can be a reason of rejection. I'm just going to leave that like it is. Okay. Category. Let's put that under, let's see, food. If they have a food or you don't have food. So let's try health and fitness. Well, I can better yet lifestyle. Let's try lifestyle. Okay. Um, Entertainment, health. This is the second. Let's try health and fitness. Okay. Age restriction. Any age over 0. Okay. Just leave all this the same. Okay. Then we're going to go to next. Leave standalone ticked. Okay. We're going to see if it'll let us continue. Okay. And we're going to have to do some Photoshop tricks in here, or Pixlr, but we're going to have to use the editor to make our screenshots. And the way I'm going to show you is going to be real quick. It's the Photoshop way. If you don't have Photoshop, you probably have to do it the longer way. But okay, description. Okay. Just gonna go to my store listing, grab it from here. Oops. Let's see. Select all. Okay. Copy. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna leave for English. Right now, I'm not gonna do multiple language right now because I just want to get this up. When you select application category, the relevant tag will be recommended. Okay. This would be, let's say, broadcast, game, kids, music. We'll just say, let's make it a book. Okay. All right. Please select the tag closely. Yeah. Okay. Book. All right. Now that would be a book for ebook art. Well, all right. How about this? Let's try probably book would be the appropriate category. Let's see, education. Let's see what we get. No. Okay, let's go with book. Okay, I'm just gonna check one of these. They gave you two to check. Just say ebook. Okay. Other tag. Food. Dining. Okay, leave it at that. Although I do probably have some other tags I could use. Let's do that research on that. Keywords. Final tags. Quick. Dinner. How about healthy? Okay. All right. So, what is this product for? Let's say a couple. Quick dinner recipes for two. Where can you use this product? Okay. I can leave that blank. Actually, I don't need to select anything. I can leave all those the same. I believe. What is the product used for? Enjoying. Okay. Okay. You can select the supported languages if your application supports multiple language. Do you want to select a language? Click yes. Okay. You can select the supported language if your app supports multiple languages. We'll just leave it at English for now. Okay. It says English. Okay. Do you want to select languages if you want your application to be displayed on the storefront and enter the application's basic information for each language? Okay. I'm not going to do that right now. Icon image. It's going to be a 512. Got that done already. Let's see. $512. Okay, somewhere. Where's it at? Where's my 512? I know it's somewhere. I know I got it. Dinnerrecipes.com. Try again. I'm gonna have to make one. That's the old. Well, here we go. Is it in there? No. Okay. What's that? There it is. Okay. We can use this one. 512. Okay. Now, this is where we have to resize the images, what I was telling you about earlier. Your images are supposed to be 480 by 800. Okay. 480 by 800. So, what I'm going to do, those are resized, right? Oh, no. Okay. That's for something else. Okay, these are my screenshots. That's the screenshot folder. Okay. What I'm going to do is open up Photoshop. Okay. And we're coming up on 24 minutes. We're going to keep going. Yep. Well, actually, yeah, we're going to keep going. Okay, waiting on Photoshop to open. Edit. And I learned how to do this from a YouTube video, actually, because I was I was taking a long route. I had to figure out the quick way. So anyway, I went to searching to try to figure out the short route, easy route, of course, and I learned this way to resizing batch images or a lot of images. So like I said, saving you all some time as far as resizing your images. And like I said, once I go through this process, I'm gonna have this down to a science so much to where I'll be able to submit apps very quickly, probably in under 15 minutes. Well, the goal actually about an hour. We'll say an hour, or we'll say a couple hours. But have that app submitted, do a couple hours work, continue to reap the benefits, for years to come. Okay, so let's go to File. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Process Multiple Files. Okay, so let's click that. Okay, now process files from folder. Okay, we're going to browse. We're going to find our folder. Okay, and our folder is Quick Dinner Recipes, right? Yeah, right there. Okay, screenshots, right? Let's see. Screenshots. Okay, so let's click OK. Okay, I'm going to put these on my desktop for now, and I'll move them to the folder in a second. But actually, you can make another folder, and if you don't select the destination, it's going to put those files inside the same folder as my screenshots, and I don't want to mix them up. Okay, so hold on one second. Pause the video. Wife is calling. Okay, so as I was saying, we're just going to move these to the desktop for now. So it might be about 6 or 7 images on my desktop just floating around. But anyway, you go scroll down here, Windows right there. Scroll down here, resize images. Just make sure that 480 by 800. Okay, we want it PNG. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So then you're going to click OK and watch it go to work. Okay, watch it go to work. My new computer's scheduled to be here tomorrow, y'all. So, it's got 8 gigs of RAM memory. So it's got a quad-core processor. So hopefully it'll be running smooth. This probably has like a 1-core processor, which is why it keeps freezing and not responding and stuff like that. But anyway, okay. All right, now it's processing the files. Okay. Gonna let it do its thing. Alrighty. Come on. I'm going extra slow. 28 minutes in, y'all. Okay. All right. All right. And there we have it. So let's go ahead and X this out. Do it Photoshop. And let's go ahead and get those images. Okay, and there they go. Like I said, they're going to be spread out. Okay. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a folder real quick. And actually, like I said, I could have did it the short way. Just went ahead and made a folder while I was in Photoshop. I could have saved myself a minute. Right? So let's see. 480 by 800. Quick dinner. Okay. Screenshots. right? Okay, so let's go ahead and grab these screenshots. Let's see. Grab all those, put them in there. Okay, grab these, put them in there. Grab that one, put it in there. Oops. Grab these two. One photo go. Okay, right there. Grab these. A lot of screenshots. Okay. Put them in there. Right. Okay. And alright. So now I'm going to move this folder inside our screenshots. Okay. Alright. So now, let's go back. Okay. Make sure all these are set to portrait. And let's go ahead and get our screenshots. Go back one. Go back another. Screenshots. Here's our 480 folder that we just made. Okay. Let's get that one. Yeah, let's get that one. That's one. Okay. Let's get this one. Let's try that one. Let's try this one. Trying to get the most attractive ones. How about, can I use that one? Oh, you know what that is? I believe that's Facebook images. Just talking to myself right now. I just thought of something. Okay. Anyway, copyright holder. Now, I'm not, is this case copyright issue? Nope. Okay. Support email. Okay. Alright, support URL. That's not needed. I don't have one right now. YouTube video. I believe I have a YouTube video that's on that app. So I'm going to check it out real quick. Okay. Let's go to quick dinner recipes. See if I'm on the first page for that. Yeah, boom. I like that. And see, at first that I wasn't ranking, but now I am. Yeah. Out of 394 results, no. This app doesn't get a lot of downloads, but you know, I don't have a man. Okay, so I'm going to make a featured image. But anyway, let's grab that video. Oh, I went to the wrong spot. I meant to go to the listing. That's where I get the video. Okay. But I'm going to have to make a featured image, because I believe it's required. Okay, let's paste it there. Okay. Certification. No comments. Put none there. And you got to put something there because it won't let you submit it. Okay. Comments. Video link. Nope. Okay. So let's go ahead and submit, and hopefully this will go through. Your feature tag you selected. Oh, I need to select at least two. Okay. All right. Let's see. Enjoy. Okay. All right. So let's hope that it goes through this time. Sometimes it takes me about I have to go through this about 5 times. So hopefully I don't have to do it this time, because I'm pretty much going through the process and you know, trying to make the process quicker. Okay, if it takes a long time, that's good in both cases. If it's taking a long time, if it takes a short time, it's not good. Okay. Oh, okay. And I should remember this. It says those dashes are not permitted. So that's guess what those are. Those are in my description. So I may have to edit my description format, but yeah, those things on feedback. So for future reference, I'm going to edit my description to take those blanks out. Like I said, once I'm zooming, and I use that template, I just want to zoom that same template through all the app platforms. So my description template is going to change. Now I think we're good. Okay. Coming up on 36 minutes. Okay. I could pause the video, or you all can just listen to me ramble on a little bit. Okay, the file size exceeds the maximum limit. Please upload a file less than 500 megabytes. Okay, I don't get that. This is talking about my APK file. Oh, okay, wait a minute. No. File size exceeds maximum limit. That's right here. Which file? I don't get it. Um, this, no, I'm thinking it's. Hold on. Let me pause the video. Let me find out what's going on with this. Okay. Further inspection. I don't know why it's giving me that message, but I think what I'm going to do is um, go with the GIF format. You see right there where it says GIF or PNG format only. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, I'm gonna try that and see what happens. So, let me go back to Photoshop. And let's just do a GIF because I think that's a few less pixels or bytes. So that may give us that extra little edge. I don't know why I did that though. Didn't do that on my last apps that I submitted, but you have to roll with the punches. It's all about learning the process. Learning the process. Let's go to edit. Okay. All right. Loading it up. Now, when we submit to GitJar, um, we're going to have to use GIF images also. That just reminded me. So, when you resize your images, whether you submit to GitJar first or to Samsung first, just keep that in mind. Make your images in GIF so you can use the same images, for both Samsung and GitJar, and possibly Amazon too. Okay, process multiple files. Let's browse. Screenshots. Okay. My desktop. Yeah. Now I'm going to change right here to GIF. See if that'll help us out. Process. Those images are going to go to my desktop. Okay. I'm going to let it do its thing. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And see, the reason I decided to show you all this is because basically I just want to show you everything that I do. Um, so you can do the things that the other app developers aren't doing. You know, even though that's not the standard, we don't compare ourselves to anybody else. We compare ourselves to doing better, than we did the day before. If it happens that we do better, fine. But that's how we do it. So this is just doing other, just going through the process and getting better at doing this. All right. Now I've got the images right here. These are the GIF images. So let me make a quick folder. GIF 480 by 800. Quick diet. I may have spelled that wrong. I don't, but that's okay. We're just trying to get this up and going right now. Put those images in there. Roll this over. Put those there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Boom. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Boom. Alright. So let's try it again. Alright. So let's browse. Okay, oops, passed them. Okay. Screenshots. GIF. Okay, 1. That is 480. Let's go to 2. Okay, go to 3. Let's go to 4. Let's see. Go there. Okay. Now we got everything here. Let's go to next. All right. And hopefully that little tweak will fix it. Of course, the GIF images are less quality than the PNG, Portable Network. What does that stand for? PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm going to have just remind me, I'm going to have a file of terms that you need to know. I'm going to make that available to you. You'll probably get that on some videos before you get to this one. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Cross our fingers. Cross our legs. Yeah, I think we're good. So that's just another tip I believe I discovered. Use those lower graphic images for the tier 2 sites. Okay, I believe we're good. Okay. Coming up on 44 minutes. Okay. I need to pause it. Okay. We're going to wait it out. And wait it out. Oh, okay. Same message. Huh. Alright. Well, we're going to stop this video. And we're going to figure out what's going on. Tags. Feature tag you select will be displayed. Okay. I thought I got... I don't know. Okay. But I'm going to take a look at a few things. And I'll fix this issue in the next video.